Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. We do something a little unique on our channel, and that is we have hidden giveaways. And that means that somewhere within our videos, you never know where, I announce that we're giving something away. It's always doll related. And in a couple of our videos earlier this week, we offered for a hidden giveaway a Barbie stand, and on another video, these tiny doll stands. Aren't they adorable? That's what I use for my, some people call them petite Blythes. I call them miniature. So today we're going to tell you the winners. This is how it works on my channel for the giveaways. You have to be a subscriber. I have to be able to go to your channel and verify that you are a subscriber. You have to leave a comment and a like. It's real simple. We ship anywhere in the world. Darren does it by generating the computer. It's all above board, fair and square. Whoever's name comes up, no matter where you are in the world, you're our winner. So today, without further ado, first we're going to pull the Barbie stand, and that is going to go out to Kim's Dolls. You'd love Kim's channel. She really, I love her. I describe Kim as she's doing box openings, I always say she has the chatter of an adult, but the excitement of a child when she opens. She's just the cutest thing. The next little stand is going to go out to Nomi Dolls. And Nomi's channel is mostly American Girls. I love the American Girl dolls. Of all the types of dolls that I have to say that American Girls are in the top 3. Thank you for watching. Please contact us, Kim and Nomi, and send us an email to marna@dollsrescue.com. and let me know your address to send this off to. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, don't say the person's name, and subscribe.